everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 26th to the 30th of April 2021 on Monday. Hector is grooming a reluctant Thando to take over the dealings with Santiago. Shaka finds out that Thando hasn't told anyone about their relationship. Is she ashamed of him on Tuesday? Schumacher exposes Hector's darkest secret. Thando is forced into a corner on Wednesday. Tato starts to ask questions about Hector that makes Schumacher and Jege uncomfortable. Thando continues to entangle herself in a web of lies, finding it harder and harder to be honest with Shaka on Thursday. Tato is on a quest to find out the truth about Hector. Shaka defies his family and chooses to fight for his relationship on Friday. Kagiso comes across something that could blow up Shaka's world. Tato starts asking questions that makes Thando and Hector nervous. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.